Have you ever wondered how a simple paperboy could become one of the wealthiest individuals on the planet? Let's rewind to the early 1930s to a young Warren Buffett delivering newspapers around his neighborhood in Omaha, Nebraska. Even at such a tender age, his entrepreneurial spirit was already in full bloom, earning money with his first job as a paperboy. But the real turn of events happened when he was just 11 years old. That's right, 11. Young Warren made his first foray into the world of finance and investment. With the few dollars he had saved from his paper route, he bought his first stock. This was not a random act, but a calculated move, a spark that ignited a lifelong passion for investing. This was more than just a child playing with numbers. This was the beginning of an extraordinary journey. A journey that would see a simple paperboy evolve into an investment titan. Thus began the journey of a young boy who was destined to change the face of investing. Buffett's path to financial success was not a straight line, but a series of calculated steps and smart decisions. After a childhood filled with early entrepreneurial ventures, young Warren found his calling in the world of finance. His journey took a significant turn when he attended Columbia Business School, where he had the privilege of learning from Benjamin Graham, the father of value investing. This mentorship played a pivotal role in shaping Buffett's investment philosophy, a philosophy he would carry with him throughout his illustrious career. Buffett's first major investment came in the form of Berkshire Hathaway, a struggling textile company. While others saw a sinking ship, Buffett saw an opportunity. He bought shares, gradually increasing his stake until he had full control of the company. Under his stewardship, Berkshire Hathaway transformed from a faltering textile firm to a powerful investment vehicle. It was through this company that Buffett would make many of his most successful investments, including stakes in companies like Apple, Coca-Cola, and American Express. The core of Buffett's investment philosophy is simple: buy and hold. He believed in investing in companies he understood and saw long-term value in, rather than chasing quick profits. This approach was not the norm in the fast-paced, high-stakes world of Wall Street, but Buffett stuck to his guns. His focus was always on the fundamentals of a business, not the fluctuations of the stock market. This approach did not pay off overnight. In fact, much of Buffett's wealth was accumulated after the age of 50. However, his patience and unwavering commitment to his principles eventually paid off, with Buffett becoming one of the richest individuals in the world. Buffett had built an empire, but his journey was far from over. He continued to apply his investment philosophy, growing his wealth and influence in the business world, but as we'll see in the next part of our journey, Buffett's story isn't just about making money. Stay tuned as we delve into the philanthropic side of the Oracle of Omaha. Buffett didn't just invest in companies, he owned them. You see, his approach to investing was different from many of his contemporaries. He didn't dart in and out of the market trying to time the peaks and troughs. Instead, he saw stocks as owning pieces of a business, and businesses, well, they're not bought and sold on a whim. Buffett preferred to play the long game. He looked for quality companies with solid fundamentals, businesses that had a good chance of performing well over the long haul. He wasn't interested in the latest trends or hot stocks. Instead, he focused on companies that provided goods or service that people needed and wanted, businesses that had a competitive edge and were likely to keep it. This strategy wasn't just a fancy theory, it was a real practical approach that Buffett used to build his fortune. From his first investment at the age of 11, he demonstrated an uncanny understanding of the market and its potential. But the real magic happened after he turned 50. That's when his wealth really began to skyrocket. Indeed, by focusing on long-term investments in quality companies, Buffett was able to grow his net worth exponentially. He didn't become a billionaire overnight, but with patience, discipline, and a keen eye for opportunity, he gradually built one of the largest fortunes in history. In fact, in 2008, he reached the pinnacle of financial success when he became the world's richest person. His approach to investment was a game changer. It debunked the myth that you need to be a Wall Street whiz or have insider knowledge to succeed in the stock market. It showed that with the right strategy, anyone could build wealth through investing. But Buffett's story doesn't end with his wealth. His success is not just a testament to his financial acumen, but also to his character. After all, it's one thing to make money, but it's another to use it to make a difference. And that's exactly what Buffett has done. For Buffett, success wasn't just about accumulating wealth. It was about how he could use that wealth to make a difference. You see, Buffett wasn't content to simply sit on a mountain of money. He understood that true wealth extends beyond the confines of a bank account. Buffett has shown an unwavering commitment to philanthropy, a dedication to giving that's as steadfast as his investment principles. He's not just a billionaire businessman, he's a philanthropist with a purpose. His generosity is as legendary as his business acumen. In an extraordinary act of generosity, he's pledged to donate 99% of his wealth to charitable causes. Yes, you heard that right, 99%. That's not a typo, nor is it an overstatement. It's a pledge that speaks volumes about the man's character, about his understanding of the true value of money, and his belief in the power of giving. But it's not just about the money. For Buffett, philanthropy is more than just writing checks. It's about investing in causes he believes in, about making a real, tangible difference in the world. It's about using his wealth, his influence, and his expertise to create a better future for all. He also believes that true success isn't measured by the size of your bank account, but by the love and respect you receive from those around you. It's a lesson that resonates with all of us, regardless of our financial situation. It's a reminder that money, while important, isn't everything. In the end, Buffett's journey is as much about giving as it is about earning. It's about understanding the power of money, but also its limitations. It's about recognizing that true wealth lies not in what you have, but in what you give. Buffett's journey is a testament to the power of patience, discipline, and a keen eye for opportunity. His story teaches us that anyone can go from broke to banking. But more importantly, it teaches us that the true measure of success is not just in the wealth you accumulate, but in the difference you make in the world. Warren Buffett's journey is not just inspiring, it's transformative. Stories like these are not just about the destination, but the journey. They inspire us to dream bigger, push harder, and never give up. So, if you're ready to take the first step towards transforming your financial destiny, tap into the wisdom of the world's greatest investors and join us on this journey of discovery. Subscribe to Broke to Banking, and let's write our success stories together. Until next time, keep investing in your dreams.